Welcome everybody, my name is Damien, I'm part of the Boring Traders. So today is the first official video with my new product that I developed called Spidaro. I worked for a trading company for about 5 years who built and sold indicators, and during that time I saw the stupid money being paid by people to effectively put things on charts and then hoping that that was going to be the be all and end all for their trading. From my point of view, that's just ridiculous. So for the last few months, I've been developing a product called Spidaro. And the idea is quite simple. You upload images of your charts for multiple timeframes on a particular instrument that you're trading, and it utilizes a heavily coded prompt within AI to decipher that and then make a recommendation on a trade. The reason why it's taken so long and it's taken a number of months is I work a full-time job and I'm also doing up an old house as well. So my time is at a premium. So when I've had spare moments, I've basically gone on and started working on this. And it's taken several months of building a program, finalizing hundreds of lines of prompt regards to reading and understanding charts. And now is the next step for me, and I'm going to start backtesting it. So I'm going to be running through multiple instruments on different sessions of the day. So ideally, probably around about the 15 minutes after each session open, and just trying to find the sweet spot in terms of the higher probability trades that it provides. So yeah, come along with this journey, and let's see. Let's go onto the computer and let's start running some backtesting. Oh yeah, one more thing. Apologies if this looks really low rent, but at the end of the day, you're here to see the tools, not me. Production quality will get better, but I wanted to start getting some videos out to start showing what we're doing before we properly launch this out. So I'm fighting a cold, hence the voice, but let's show you what we can do. Okay guys, so this is Spidaro. This is the program I built. Ignore how it looks at the minute. It's still going to have a few changes. But essentially what it's doing is AI analysis. You're looking at different markets, futures, Forex, crypto. You get results within seconds regards to entries and exits, as well as risk management. The price is going to be $20 a month. We're going to give you a 7-day free trial as well. We're not releasing this until beginning of January, but if you go to spidaro.com, the link will be in the description. You can go onto the webpage and put in your email address, and we'll let you know the moment it is released. So what we're going to do here first is you want to come in and so you get started yourself. But I'm just going to sign in, and this is how Spidaro looks. Now it's designed to be as clean cut as possible. I don't want too much mess, too much color, too much distraction on here. The design is focused around how Spidaro works. So I'm just going to give you a quick run through. So here we have the futures analysis. We have a few built in already. If there are other symbols that you want me to add on this, let me know and we'll get them added into it. You can have your preferred risk to reward ratio. I've got 2.5, but generally I like 1 to 3. Max risk per contract. I generally would say if you're going to be doing 250, to give yourself space to move, because futures can be a little bit volatile. There can be a lot of liquidity sweeps. Is perhaps go on the micros and do 5 micros rather than 1 mini. And then obviously you have your scalping, your day trade, and your swing trading. Come over to Forex. Again, we've got a few pre-developed pairs here. Again, if you want more, let me know. These are the main ones. I might add gold shortly. Again, the type of day trading you like to do. I prefer scalping, to be honest, and I normally tend to put like 100,000 just to as a testing anyway. The risk to reward ratio, normally I prefer 1 to 3. Again, it's just how you prefer things to be done. And then the rest of it, you have your chart screenshots here. So you can then put in your multi-time frame. I know we've got 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. I'm going to change that because realistically speaking, you'd only do that if you're going to be doing the swing trading. If you're going to be doing scalping or day trading, it's generally best to do 15, 5, and 1. I found that with my back testing. And then we have crypto. We have obviously a warning here, a few different pairs, and the exchange in which you're using. Again, type of trading you're going to be doing, and then obviously the account size and the risk to reward. Now, one thing I will say is I'm still working on the risk calculator, so ignore the lot sizes. Do your own calculation for now. I know I've got it in there, but I will get the calculation fixed on it. It's just taking a bit of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to do Forex for this trade here. So let's go through and run through exactly what I'm looking for on a Forex trade. Sorry everyone, I'm having issues exporting this whole video out for some reason. So rather than me trying to spend a load of time trying to figure out what's actually happening, I've just had to release this in 3 different parts. I'm really sorry, I hate doing this, but I want to get the video out there. I want people to see what this can do. And this is the only quickest way I can get it done whilst I try and troubleshoot what the issue is. Hopefully this will be fixed pretty soon.